Ooh, wow. Look at that. Trailer lights that actually work. They are a thing of beauty, aren't they? In this video, I'll show you how me and my son replaced the trailer lights. Alright, this light here that I have is the LED that came on the trailer. After about a year, it quit working. I thought that maybe the LED circuit had blown, and so I went to the store and got a regular submersible incandescent light, and it may have lasted maybe 2 trips. So after installing this one, I realized it was a ground problem and probably not the bulb. So we're going to try to put this LED back on, see if that gives us light on this side again. Make any cuts, you want to make sure that your trailer lights are unplugged and you don't have any electricity running through the wires. And we will then cut the wires here so we can splice the new light fixture back in. Alright, go. Alright, go. Alright, now this light fixture is out the way. We'll need them bolts out of it in just a minute. Now go ahead and strip the wires.
Clamp down on it. Clamp, clamp, and pull. And while it's, there you go. Hold the wire right there and pull. There you go. Good job. Alright, and do the next one. Do the yellow one, about that same length. Okay, and then hold the yellow, hold up above it so you don't pull all the wire out the trailer. Hold, yep, right there, now pull too. Watch this. You hold the yellow wire for me. Hold it. There you go. Now you can this like top. No, we're not touching them together.
Since the trailer goes in the water a good bit, I like using heat shrink butt connectors. So we'll go ahead and make the crimp, make the connection on both sides. Then we'll use a lighter and melt the ends. That way we have a waterproof, watertight connection. You may ask, how do I know that I have the correct tail light on the correct side of the trailer? When you mount the lights, you'll notice there are a left and a right light on trailer lights. Y'all always notice that your side marker is on the outside. The left light always comes with a clear lens on the bottom, which would be a trailer tag light. Here where I live, it's not required to have tags on my trailer, so I don't have a tag on here. But see that under there? Show you that's the clear bottom, and then just make sure that your markers are on the outside.
Is this the one that doesn't work? Is this the LED one?
No, that's not LED.
This is the LED.
Here, let's see if we can twist this. Pick up light fixture. Give me some room here.
Now we need to crimp it.
No, don't move it before I crimp it, please.
Crimp, crimp, crimp. Get them tight. Get them tight. Is this camera on?
Yeah. Okay, now we'll test it before we bolt it back up. We'll probably have to put the ground wire on the trailer to make it light up. So we'll do that. I'll go plug the lights back in. All right, hold this. Hold this.
Nope, no light.
All right, you gotta touch the white wire to the trailer, so the ground. Yep. Take this.
Barely.
All right, looks like we're blinking. We've got some LEDs that are out. Sometimes if you do this and you're not getting any light still, and you know that the bulb is good or the fixture's good, you may have to check the ground wire coming off of the vehicle. All right, we'll swap the bolts over from this other fixture and then mount it back up. When we mount it, we'll be sure to run this on the back, run a bolt through here, and then that way we'll get a good connection to the aluminum trailer with the back of the bolt and the nut. Now let me show you what's wrong with this incandescent fixture. It says it's fully submersible when you buy it, and the only way it can be fully submersible and still have that bulb work is it's got to protect the bulb from getting water infiltration. I don't know if you can see, if you look in here, this is a separate housing that's got a gasket around on the back side of it to prevent the water from getting in there, touching the bulb, blowing the bulb. If you've noticed though, down here in the bottom, you can see where there was water been sitting down there, and that's what happened. That bulb got hot. That bulb got hot, blew the water out, or the water touched the bulb, blew the bulb out. I can see the back of the bulb, the glass is missing, so I'm sure the filament's gone as well. See a little bit of water in there. So yeah, I know I could go buy a bulb for a couple dollars, $2, $3, and take this off, fix the problem. But I think it would just be a temporary fix. Once I back in the water, I would probably get water back in there and do it again. So we'll go back with LED. Our new lights delivered, and my son and I took time to install them. It took us probably 30 minutes to get both of them installed. I did not show you how we installed the passenger side trailer lights, but hey, it's essentially the same as what we did over here on the driver's side. Both lights look good, they're flashing, they're bright. Now I feel better about taking the boat out. We're ready to go again. I want to take this time to say, hey, if you have kids, take the time to teach them stuff like this. They're eager to learn. If your kids are similar to mine, they love learning. Their brains are like a sponge at this age. They just want to be in the action and helping. They are our future. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please stick around and see how some of our future projects go.